You ever hear about a business and think, that sounds boring as hell? Well, what if I told you those boring businesses might be making way more money than you think? Today, I'm breaking down 10 simple service businesses that are low cost, high profit, and easy to start, even if they don't sound exciting at first. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see why these are hidden gems. Let's get into it. First up, carpet cleaning. It sounds basic, but here's why it's a goldmine. Homes, offices, hotels, and rental properties need carpet cleaning regularly. A simple deep cleaning service can charge $150 to $300 per session, and it only takes about an hour or two to complete. You also have an opportunity to have repeat clients because businesses schedule routine cleanings and homeowners need seasonal deep cleans. The startup cost? Around $1,000 for a solid machine and cleaning supplies, but that can pay for itself within a few jobs. You can also rent equipment before buying your own, which contributes to low startup costs. And the best part? People hate doing it themselves. It's messy, time-consuming, and they'd rather pay you instead, so you can make bank with just a few recurring clients. Next up, paint striping. Ever notice how parking lots always have those fresh white and yellow lines? Well, businesses pay good money to keep those looking sharp. Paint striping involves painting lines and markings on parking lots, roads, warehouses, and athletic courts. Clients include property managers, businesses, schools, and government projects, and a single parking lot job can bring in $1,000 to $3,000. All you need is a paint machine and stencils, a $3,000 investment, but a single job covers that. Plus, there's low competition, so getting into this market is easier than you'd think. You will get consistent demand because parking lots constantly need repainting due to wear and weathering. This business has low competition because many people overlook this business, creating a niche opportunity. You can also scale by expanding into road marking, airports, and safety signage. If you don't mind working late nights or early mornings when lots are empty, this business can be a money printer. Now, if you live in a warm area, pool cleaning is an easy way to make money. Homeowners need regular pool maintenance. No one wants green water. Pool maintenance includes cleaning debris, balancing chemicals, checking equipment, and maintaining water clarity. Ideal for warm climates where homeowners and businesses have pools year-round. You can charge $80 to $150 per cleaning, and some high-end pools even pay $500 plus per month for maintenance contracts. Startup costs a $500 pool cleaning kit, and you're good to go. This is a good business because it can be a subscription model because customers will pay for weekly, monthly service, ensuring recurring revenue. It also has seasonal peaks. There is high demand in summer. You can get a few Airbnb properties or luxury homeowners, and this becomes a six-figure business real quick. There is no certification required, just knowledge of pool maintenance, making it a low barrier entry business. Your upselling opportunities may include offering pool repairs, filter replacements, and seasonal openings or closings. Now here's a business that's not only profitable but weirdly satisfying: pressure washing. It uses high-pressure water to clean surfaces like driveways, sidewalks, decks, fences, and buildings. Targets residential and commercial clients who need exterior surfaces cleaned of dirt, mold, and stains. You charge between $200 and $600 per job. A solid pressure washer costs $500 to $1,500, and it pays for itself in a week or two. Customers, homeowners, businesses, driveways, sidewalks, decks, everyone needs it eventually. You can record crazy before and after videos that get millions of views on social media, which makes marketing super easy. It's a good business to venture into because it is easy to start and requires minimal training and equipment. Secondly, it has high margins. A $300 job takes a few hours, and equipment pays for itself quickly. People get to see the great before and after results, and satisfying transformations make for great marketing content. You have an opportunity to expand into other services like bundling with driveway sealing, house washing, or roof cleaning. If you like cars, mobile detailing is a no-brainer. People love their cars but hate cleaning them. A mobile car detailing business provides deep interior and exterior cleaning services at customers' locations. Services include waxing, shampooing carpets, headlight restoration, and ceramic coatings. Full details go for $100 to $300 per car. Some even pay $500 plus for ceramic coatings. It's a good business as it has low overhead costs. No need for a physical location, you go directly to customers. This business also has a luxury market appeal. High-end clients want convenience and premium service, so you can have recurring business as your customers will book regular cleanings, especially for fleet vehicles. Before and after transformations attract a lot of attention as well. Luxury car owners, dealerships, and even Uber drivers will pay top dollar for a good detailing job. Most people don't realize how profitable driveway sealing is. Sealing driveways extends their lifespan by protecting them from cracks, water damage, and UV exposure. It is ideal for residential and commercial properties with asphalt driveways. Homeowners need to reseal asphalt driveways every 2 to 3 years to prevent cracks. The job takes about 2 hours and pays $300 to $500 per driveway. Materials? Just a few buckets of sealer and a roller, maybe $100 per job in costs. This business is seasonal, but if you market well, you can make tens of thousands in just a few months. Homeowners seek sealing before winter or summer. Now, this one isn't a secret, but it's still one of the easiest ways to make money. Landscaping includes lawn care, garden design, hardscaping, and seasonal maintenance. Clients range from homeowners to commercial properties and luxury estates. You start small, mowing lawns, trimming hedges, and pulling weeds. Expand into tree trimming, irrigation, and garden design for big-ticket clients. The average landscaping job brings in $500 to $2,500. The best part? You can lock in weekly clients and get steady income all year. Why it's a good business. Year-round work, lawn mowing in summer, leaf removal in fall, snow removal in winter. Scalable, start solo, then hire a team for bigger projects. Recurring revenue, many clients need weekly or monthly maintenance. Customizable services, offer landscape design, irrigation setup, and tree trimming. Artificial grass is becoming super popular, but people forget that it needs maintenance too. Turf repair jobs pay $500 plus per fix because no one else specializes in it. Soccer fields, schools, and homeowners all need this service. Since there's almost no competition, you can charge premium rates. It's a niche market, but the people in it have money to spend. Tile work is always in demand. Every home renovation, kitchen, or bathroom project needs tile installation. Jobs range from $500 to $10,000, depending on the project. If you're skilled, you can charge premium rates for custom designs. It's a skilled trade, but if you learn the craft, you'll always have customers. And finally, home cleaning. It's not glamorous, but the money is real. People are busy, and they'll pay $100 to $250 per session for a clean house. Airbnb hosts need cleaning services regularly. Once you build a client base, this becomes a steady source of income. And if you hire a team, boom, you've got a cleaning company. So yeah, these businesses might sound boring at first, but they're serious money makers. Most of them have low startup costs, high demand, and repeat customers, which means steady cash flow. If you're looking for a business idea that's simple, scalable, and profitable, these are 10 great options. Which one do you think is the best? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more business ideas. See you in the next one.